Good afternoon to one and all present here. And now I now take this opportunity to welcome our respected head of the department and FDP coordinator, Dr. A. Selambuchelvan sir, and all the participants across the country for this valedictory session of 5 days Atal Academy sponsored online faculty development program on research avenues and challenges in Industry 4.0. May I kindly request our respected HOD sir to give a report of this 5 days online faculty development program in a nutshell. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to everyone. At the outset, I welcome you all for this valedictory session of AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on research avenue and challenges in Industry 4.0 organized by the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering of RMD Engineering College. I would like to brief about the key points of this faculty development program. The main objective of Atal Academy is to provide the opportunity for the faculty members to enhance their knowledge in thrust areas by conducting faculty development programs. Our faculty development program on research avenues and challenges in Industry 4.0 introduced the participants some of the challenges, opportunities, and open research issues in the state of our technology Industry 4.0. The sessions were handled by eminent professors and industry personnel from reputed institutions and industry. The FTP was registered by 200 participants, out of which around 140 faculty members and research scholars from various disciplines across our country attended this. The faculty development program was inaugurated in the morning on 14th June 2021 by the resource person Dr. Vimaladithan Ratnaswabadi, Director, Christech, Coimbatore, along with our beloved principal. Inaugural address was given by the speaker on the topic Recent Trends and Challenges in Industry 4.0. In session 2, the participants were given hands-on training in R programming to perform statistical data analytics by Dr. C. Komadi, Sri Sai Ram Engineering College. The speaker of session 3, Dr. K. Vijay Kumar, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Kanchipuram, have a brief note of introduction to smart grid and also made the participants to explore few research opportunities in the smart grid. Day 2, session 4, handled by Dr. G.R. Gangadharan, National Institute of Technology, Trichy, enlightened the participants with the healthcare applications of IoT and made them understand the prevailing challenges and open issues in the field of HIoT. Session 5, Dr. V.T. Sridevi, Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai, have an insight about IoT architecture and protocols along with its applications and help the participants to analyze the research scopes in the area. Mr. Ganesh Kanda, Senior Engineer, Microchip Technology, Chennai, speaker of session 6, uncovered few applications of IoT, and during the session, he explained how to read and write in BLE and also how to save it in the cloud. Day 3, Chief Guest of Mr. V. I. M. Bermal, Senior Engineer, Anand Automotive Private Limited, Chennai, in session explained about industrial Internet of Things with a few real-time applications and also focus the research thrust area in this field for the benefit of the participants. In session 8, the keynote speaker, Mr. Karthik Jyotilakshmi, Principal Engineer, Mercedes-Benz, Bengaluru, exposed the participants to the concept of electric mobility and the current challenges that are faced by the automobile industry in the design of connected cars. The resource person of session 9, Dr. D. Senthil Kumar, Anna University, Trichy, enrich the participants about the research scopes available in machine learning applications, and he also dealt with the use of R programming for data science and machine learning. Day 4, during his session 10, Dr. P. Sivasankar, the National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chennai, made the participants to conceive few sensor interfacing applications using Raspberry Pi and also helped them with the coding part. The person of note of session, Mr. Hariharan, founder of SpaceG Chennai, described the emerging concepts like VR and AR and its applications in industrial automations in the session 11. He also demonstrated the digital twin technology with a video for the utmost benefit of the participants. The resource person, Dr. C. Lenin, Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai, in session 12, helped the participants to analyze the design concepts of e-vehicles and its feature scope and challenges. The day 5, the guest of honor of session 13, Mr. Fazil Khan, Cyber Security Analysis, TCS, Chennai, provided hands-on training experience to participants in cybersecurity VMware workstation. Expert on session 14, Mr. Chandrakant Dioda, Sagaja Yoga, briefed different ways to handle and manage stress in the pandemic situation. I hope this faculty development program on research avenues and challenges in Industry 4.0 educated the participants about the thrust area in Industry 4.0 and provided technical inputs for the research work from resource person. The discussed areas would be great benefit to the research community and also to the faculty members to transfer their knowledge to the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your brief report. True expertise is learned from prolonged experience with good feedback on mistakes. I now request the participants to give your valuable feedback about this FDP. Welcome.
My name is Bharat Singh. I'm coming from RMK Engineering College. So regarding the feedback, okay, so the program was organized in a very efficient way. Okay? So the notifications given, the messages given in the WhatsApp were very helpful for us to follow up in this program. And one more thing, the resource persons, whatever the resource persons, they shared the data, everything is very useful for me. So in the research work as well as in my career building also, it is very useful. And I thank all the coordinators and HOD sir, Salamachandran sir, for organizing such a good event. And it is beneficial for all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. M. Shuganti from Mahendra College of Engineering, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Really, I enjoyed the Atal FDP all 5 days. Really, I should thank the organizer for arranging the wonderful sessions and the expert persons are having a very well expertise. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all. This is Gangadhari from Velamal Engineering College. I thank AST Atal and RMD Engineering College and Dr. Salam Selvan sir for arranging such a wonderful work FTP program for knowledge sharing. Particularly for the topic selection, actually, is a nice topic selection, and the resource person selection is all well arranged. I have learned a lot. Thank you, sir, for arranging such a wonderful workshop. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, this is Soumya from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Bangalore. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you for RMD Engineering College for organizing such a wonderful 5 days FTP under Atal program. So overall, my experience with this 5 days is very interesting and useful for our overall development. Like, as we all are teachers, most of them, we have got very much exposure to the industry side, and hands-on sessions were very really helpful for us. So we got an opportunity to learn new softwares. So overall, it was a very nice experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Sir.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
I
sir.
am Rishabh
Yes,
Yadav,
sir. Yes.
Assistant Professor, College of Engineering, Roorkee. Thank you so much for this wonderful 5-day FDP program. I love this all session, especially sensor interfacing. I love very much because Dr. P. Srivasankar deliver a very wonderful speech. And thank you so much for the RMD Engineering College for this wonderful FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, now I request the participants to turn on the camera for the photo session. Yes, thank you all. Event was made possible by the support of Almighty and supports from many hands, hearts and minds working together. To express a vote of thanks and a word of appreciation and gratitude, now I invite our respected head of the department, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. We are highly thankful to the Adel Academy for sponsoring to organize this faculty development program in our institution, and hope we will find the support from AST in future for organizing such kind of activities. I would like to thank our management of RMD Engineering College for their vision, commitment and encouragement for organizing such knowledge enriching programs for the benefit of students and the faculty community. My sincere thanks to our principal, Dr. N. Anbuchelian, for his support, motivation, and continuous guidance for successful conduct of such events. I convey my special gratitude to all the special speakers for accepting our invitation, even in their busy schedule, and imparting their skills and knowledge to many beginners and middle-level researchers. The FTP program received a great response with more than 140 participants from various institutes across our country. The feedback of the participants also very positive, and it is a motivation for the organizers. I extend my sense of appreciation and thanks to all the participants for showing interest in attending this faculty development program with a complete involvement and active participation. I fail in my duty if I don't mention the contribution of my team members, Mrs. Badmavati, Associate Professor, Co-Coordinator, the organizing committee members, Dr. Nalasani, Professor, Dr. Vinny Anthony Grace, Associate Professor, Mrs. Karthika, Assistant Professor, Mr. Aravindan, Assistant Professor, Mrs. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Mrs. Aklin Didia, Assistant Professor, and Mrs. Irene Sonia Das, Assistant Professor, for conducting this 5 days faculty development program successfully as per schedule. So once again, I thank you one and all and wishing you all stay safe and healthy. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your motivating. Now the session is open for online test, and as per our ATL FDP guidelines, participants, those who are successfully completed the test with more than 60% and attendance more than 80% is eligible for certificate. And also, as we aware already that the certificate is generated from the ATL Academy. So now I posted the test link for this training program, and the test link contain only the MCQ questions, and also the MCQ question contains no negative marks. And while you submitting that online test form, so please try to fill the exact reference number, participant reference number, and what is the phone number and mail ID as you gave in your ATL FDP portal, so that it will be easier for us to entering the mark. And also one more kind request here is, all participants are requested to submit the online feedback form, which will be available in your individual participant Atal FDP login. So as you know already, the participants can submitted the form, feedback form through your mail, through your individual Atal FDP login. Then only we will provide the attendance for the participants. So please, all the participants kindly complete the test before 4 o'clock. And also the test contains only the MCQ questions, and also one more thing, the test link is available at only once. That is, if you fail to submit the test at the within the one response, then again the response, again the link, it will not be open for you, and you can use the link from any mail like your Gmail or else your college mail. That is not an issue, but the link will be enabled at only once. So please, all the participants are requested to complete the test on time. Now I will post the link.